Part 3, Section 17, Chastity. Al-Afa. Wal yasta'athitha ladhina la yajiduna nekahan hatta yugniyahumullahu min fadlihi waladhina yabtagunal kitaba mimma malakat aymanukum fakatibuhum in alimtum fihim khairan wa atuhum min malillahi ladhi takum wala tukrihu fatiyatikum alal bigqa'i in aradna tanhasuna le tabtangu aradal hayate dunya waman yukre hunna fa inallaha min ba'de ikrahihinna Ghafurun Rahim. Surah 24, Ayat 33. Those who do not find a match shall keep chaste until God enriches them of his favor. Meet the wishes of those of your slaves who crave for their freedom in writing. If you deem them worthy of it, give them some of the goods God has given you. Do not compel your slave girls to prostitution who wish to remain virtuous, that you may acquire the goods of this miserable life. If they be compelled, God, taking this constraint into account, would be forgiving and merciful. Now, not only are people innocent of what they've been forced or sufficiently coerced into, but they are forgiven otherwise. And perhaps the Western use usually, but Islam is concerned more about your behavior and your beliefs than, oh, you had a desire or something like that, which might have been a better thing to comment with the last chapter. But chastity is maintained in marriage. Celibacy, different story, but chastity.